How to mount a Fortis pin buckle. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to fit a Fortis pin buckle to your Fortis Cordura strap. By the way, this works exactly the same with all our leather straps. First, you need a suitable watchmaker tool. Insert the pin into the opening and push the spring bar through. Make sure you put the pin in the right direction. Now, put the strap on the buckle and fix it. Before you fix the spring bar, make sure that the pin is above the clasp so that it works afterwards. Use the tool to press the spring bar into the buckle. Done. You want to know how to fit your strap to your watch? We've explained that for you as well. You have a technical question too? Ask in the comments below. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.